natural mystic flowing through the air. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. Things are not the way they used to be. I won't tell no lie. One and all got to face reality now. Though I try to find the answer to all the questions they ask, though I know it's impossible to go living through the past. Don't tell no lie. There's a natural mystic flowing through the air. Can't keep him down. If you listen carefully now, you will hear. That's a natural mystic flowing through the air. This could be the first trumpet, might as well be the last. Many more will have to suffer, many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. I won't tell no lie. If you listen carefully, now you will hear. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. There's a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural mystic blowing through the air. Such a natural. Until the philosophy which old one race superior and another inferior is finally and permanently discredited and abandoned. Everywhere is war. It's a war that until they're no longer first class and second class citizens of any nation, until the color of a man's skin is of no more significance than the color of his eyes. Miss a war that until the basic human rights are equally guaranteed to all without regard to race. This a war that until that day, the dream of lasting peace, world citizenship, rule of international morality will remaining but a fleeting illusion to be pursued but never attained. Now everywhere is war, war, and until the ignoble and unhappy regime that hold our brothers in Angola, in Mozambique, South Africa, subhuman bondage, have been toppled, totally destroyed. Well, everywhere is war. say war. War in the east, war in the west, war up north, war down south, war, war, rumors of a war. And until that day, the African continent will not know peace. We Africans will fight, we find it necessary. And we know we shall win, as we are confident in the victory of good over evil. Good over evil, yeah. Good over evil. Live if you wanna live. Rastaman vibration, yeah. Positive. That's what we got to give. I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. Got to have a good vibe. I am an iration, yeah. Irites. Whoa, whoa. Positive vibration, yeah. Positive. If you get down and you quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devils, I say. Oh, why not help one another on the way? Make it much easier.
Just a little bit easier.
Say you just can't live that negative way. If you know what I mean, make way for the positive day. 'Cause it's news and days, new time. And if it's a new feeling, look at you, said it's a new science. Oh, what a new day. Picking up. Are you picking up now? Jah love, Jah love.
Protect us.
Jah love, Jah love.
Protect us.
Jah love, Jah love.
Protect us.
Rastaman vibration, yeah.
Positive.
I and I vibration, yeah. Positive. I am an iration, yeah.
Irites.
Whoa. Positive vibration, yeah.
Positive.
Picking up. Are you picking up now? 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 Picking up.
souls from death, yes. Our eyes from tears and our feet from falling. And 1,000 shall fall at thy side and 10,000 at thy right hand. But oh no, it shall not come. Oh no, for he shall give his angels charge over thee to keep thee in all thy ways. Oh yeah, they shall bear thee up in the hands, yes, lest thou rest thy foot against the stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion, the lion, oh, 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 the lion. Said it's a good thing to give thanks to the Lord, for he has saved our souls. Before the mountains were brought forth, or even thou hast formed the earth and the world. Whoa, yeah. And give thanks, give thanks, give thanks, yeah, for his mercy and truth, enduring forever. Give thanks, yeah, give thanks, oh, give thanks for his truth and mercies enduring forever. eventually speak unto them in his sore displeasure. Yeah, or it's just a cosmic force, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, said it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, see your brother when he's down, he's always wearing a frown. Yeah, try and do the best you can, for he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. And everyone in life has phases we all go through. It's just a cosmic, yeah, telepathic communication, cosmic force. Yes, it's just a cosmic force. Hey, it's just a cosmic force. Whoa, my, Lord of mercy now. Well, alright. Oh, well. Blessed is the overcomer and overcometh all things. For no one knows what the day may bring. See your brother when he's down, so he's always wearing a frown. Try and do the best you can, but he's your brother, man. No one is perfect, and he who is perfect, let him cast the first stone. Yes, everyone in life has phases we all go through, or it's just a cosmic force. Yeah, it's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Whoa, it's just a cosmic force. It's just a cosmic telepathic communication. Yeah, cosmic force. Well,
here I come again, Jaja. Before your presence we singing. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I shouldn't hate or grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, cause without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. How excellent is thy name, deliver us from sin and shame. Out of the mountain, babe, and suckle in, you are our day's strength. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. You're the only way. Guide me deeper deep. With you I wanna stay. Please don't go away, Lord. Lord, watch over shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You said I must love and feed my enemies, and I'm gonna do it. You said I should wouldn't take your grudge, and I won't, not even for a minute. Let only truth come from my lips. Bless our souls, Lord, without you we can't make it. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget to where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. You're the wind beneath my wings, see me through all little things. You lifted me when I was down, now you have me standing on higher ground. Lord, watch over our shoulders tonight and help us live our words tomorrow. Let's not forget to where we're from, Father, show us the way to go. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. Oh, no other help I know. Oh, Jah, I'm depending on you. No other help I know. Watch over our shoulders, help us live the way.
And accept our thanksgiving. Father, we thank thee for all that you have done and for what you're doing now. Oh, yeah, yeah. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He restoreth my soul. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the tides that ebb and flow. Yet though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, cause Jah is with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the wondrous tales you tell. Love to watch you come and go in the tides that ebb and flow. Though so strong and great you are, love, 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 stretching deep, wide and far. Tiny vessels safe you keep, rocking them gently as to sleep. Wild and rough though you may be, when you are angry, mighty sea. When the storm is gone, we find you're still a playmate kind. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Splashing, dashing, restless sea. Never still you seem to be. Sometimes angry, sometimes sad. Sometimes you laugh as though you're glad. Little children love you well. Love all the mercy for the merciless. They're taking advantage of the underprivileged. Too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged. Too long living in bondage. Taking advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Everyone is looking out for themselves. God knows they care about no one else. And I know they work their tricks by giving a little, only to deceive you, then break your poor little heart in two. They're taking advantage of the underprivileged, Jaja. Too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged, Jaja. Too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. It may be long, but not forever. You'll get nowhere in your foolish endeavor. Remember, your words shall be your evidence. Jah is watching you from across the fence, taking advantage of the underprivileged, Jaja. Too long living in bondage, taking advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Advantage of the underprivileged, Jaja. Too long living in bondage. Advantage of the situation. I work, you get the promotion. Oh Lord, yeah. Fret not yourself because of
only Rastafari can help I and I in this time I say. Cause it rain in Babylon this day now. Jah Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Cause I said I know that Jah is real. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. No. Some up on the television and I try to denounce the man. Feel them, I feel cause them don't know about the man. Some up on the radio and I chat with them, no know. A rumor them a spread, me no say nothing no go. So me said I know that Jah he is real. Now the people, it's something that I know, not just what I feel. So Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday too, boy. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, girl. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday will do, girl. Hey, run them around off the mouth, but we don't care a damn. Because I hear Rasta man gear up, we go fight the Gideon. Because the battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. And oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. The battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. Oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. Because I know that Jah he is real. Boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Oh, I said I know that Jah he is real. Oh, boy. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Not at all, boy. Some up on the television and I try to denounce the man. Blasphemers, watch yourself, you lose your foot and lose your hand. Some up on the radio and I chat with them, no know. A rumor them must spread, me no say nothing no go so. Because I know that Jah he is real, real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I can feel. Yes, I said I know that Jah he is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Jah Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday. Oh, sweet home, bingy, bingy, man, home. The Rasta man is going on, 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 on. The bingy man is going on. Rasta man them going home. The Rasta man them going home. Hey, now. All me tell them say me leaving, cause Babylon's too deceiving. There is a government still asking what kind of message I'm sending. Me say they're going home. The Rasta man them going home. The Naya man them going home. Jaja children a go home. Jaja children a go home. Jaja children a go home. Hey, now. Mash up all them scissors, broke up all them comb. Put on my sandals and go trample down Rome. We've got a right to make our own decision, and that is why we are going to trample Babylon and then go home. The Rasta youth them going home. The Bingy man them going home. Hey, now. US of A couldn't be my home. Over in Canada is not my home. Over in Europe couldn't be my home. Over in Asia couldn't be my home. Down in Jamaica couldn't be my home. I'm leaving west, I'm heading east, going home, sweet home. Hey, now, living out of bondage. No money on the privilege. Living out of sorrow, won't even have to see them tomorrow. Hey now baby, giving us on the back, beating us off the track. Do we hail His Majesty and we hail Him non-stop? None of them get vexed, start to send threat, but them trouble Rasta pick me man a instant. Then we going home. The Rasta pick me going home. The Bingy man them going home. Rasta man them going home. I am Bingy going home. Just now, the Bobo Jet them going home. Hey now. Look to the east for the coming of the King. Glory be, triumphant song we sing. And over the side it will be to see Babylon children coming on the way. Babylon children coming on the way. Ayata inde, triumphant song we sing. Ayata inde, triumphant song we sing. The Rasta man they going home. The Bingy man they going home. The Rasta man they going home.
The Rastafari can get my night this time I say, cause it rain in Babylon this day now. Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, and even Saturday too, yeah. Cause I said I know that Jah is real. Because this is something that I know, not just what I feel. I know that Jah is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. No. Some up on the television and I try to denounce the man. Feel them a feel cause them no know about the man. Some up on the radio and I chat with them no know. A rumor them a spread me no say nothing no go so. Me said I know that Jah is real. Now the people it's something that I know, not just what I feel. So Rastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, boy. Jah Rastafari on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday too, boy. I listen Lassie on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon, yeah. I listen Lassie on a Thursday, a Friday, even Saturday will do, yeah. Hey. Run them around off the mouth, but we don't care a damn.
because the battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. And oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. The battle might be hot, but the victory will be sweet. Oh, what a joy to see them trampling on their feet. Because I know that Jaja, he is real. Boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Oh, I said I know that Jaja, he is real. Oh boy, yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Not at all, boy. Some day for the television and I try to denounce the man. Blasphemers watch you sit, you lose your foot and lose your hand. Some day on the radio and I chat with them, don't know. A rumor them must split me, no say nothing, no go so. Because I know that Jaja is real, real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I can feel. Yes, I said I know that Jaja is real. Yes, this is something that I know, not just what I feel. Jarastafari on a Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday afternoon.
Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. It was a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. I mean it when I analyze the stench. To me it makes a lot of sense. Of the dreadlock rasta, buffalo soldier, and he was taken from Africa, brought to America, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta. Buffalo soldier in the heart of America. If you know your history, then you would know where you're coming from. Then you wouldn't have to ask me who the heck you would think I am. I'm just a buffalo soldier in the heart of America, stolen from Africa, brought to America. Said he was fighting on arrival, fighting for survival. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America. Said he, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo. Buffalo soldier trotting to the land. Ooh, said him on the land and make him hold a hand. Trotting to the land. Yeah, yeah. Said he was a buffalo soldier in the war for America. Buffalo soldier, dreadlock rasta, fighting an arrival, fighting for survival, driven from the mainland to the heart of the Caribbean. Singing, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo, why yo yo, why yo yo yo, why yo 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 yo. Treading through San Juan in the arms of America, treading through Jamaica, a buffalo soldier. and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks.
One love.
There is one question I'd really love to ask.
One heart.
Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind? Just a Savior's own belief. One love. What about a one heart?
One heart.
What about
Let's get together and feel alright.
as it was in the beginning,
One love.
so shall it be in the end.
One heart.
Alright.
Thanks and praise to the Lord.
And I will
Feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
one more thing. Let's get together to fight this holy Armageddon.
One love.
So when the man comes, there will be no doom.
One song.
Have pity on those whose chances grow thin. There ain't no hiding place from the Father of creation. Saying, one love. What about the one heart?
One heart.
What about the
Let's get together and feel alright.
I'm playing to mankind?
One love.
One
One heart. Give thanks and praise to the Lord.
and I will
Feel alright. Let's get together and feel alright.
give thanks and praise to the Lord.
Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight.
Preacher man, don't tell me heaven is under the earth. I know you don't know what life is really worth. It's not all that glitter is gold. After story had never been told, so now you see the light. Hey, stand up for your right. Come on,
Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. Get up, stand up for your right. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight.
most people think great God will come from the sky, take away everything and make everybody feel high. But if you know what life is worth, you would look for yours on earth. And now when you see the light, you stand up for your rights. Ja,
Get up, stand up,
ja, ja.
stand up for your right. Get up, stand up,
Get up, stand up.
don't give up the fight.
Life is your right.
Get up, stand up,
We can't give up the fight.
stand up for your right.
Lord, Lord,
Get up, stand up,
keep us traveling on.
don't give up the fight.
Yeah.
We're sick and tired of your ism, schism, game, dine and go to heaven in Jesus' name, Lord. We know and we understand Almighty God is a living man. You can fool some people sometimes, but you can't fool all the people all the time. So now we see the light.
What you gonna
We gonna stand up for our rights.
yeah.
So you better
Get
get up,
up, stand up,
In the morning.
give it up,
stand up for your right.
stand up right now.
Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight.
Don't give it up, don't give it up.
Get up, stand up,
Get up, stand up,
stand up for your right.
get up, stand up.
Get up, stand up,
In your neighborhood,
moderation, no. Them can't take the moderation, no, no. The people want liberation, no. Them can't take the frustration, no, no, no. Oh, what today it will be for all my people to see reality. Forgetting all sad memories, let's deal with what is reality. Say them want liberation, no. Yeah. Oh, hey. Can't tell the moderation, no, no, no. Too much confusion, yeah. Too much frustration, well, no. Oh, what today it will be when all my people see reality. Forgetting all sad memory, let's deal with what is reality. Ooh, well. Hold on, yeah. Whoa, Lord. Today it will be when all my people see reality. Forgetting all sad memory, let's deal with what is reality. Till we got to make a foundation, yeah. Oh Lord, to have a liberation. Oh Lord, oh. Each and every man has got to make a plan. Oh, well, to have a liberation. Whoa, whoa, well, ooh, well, oh Lord, well, yeah, oh, oh no. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Leave up huge children. Oh yeah. Leave up pastor children. Yeah. My head is anointed and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Yeah. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of our life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the father's hand. Live up good children. Oh yeah. Live up good children. Oh yeah. Oh, give up, oh, give up. Yeah. anointed, and my cup runneth over. Yeah. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. All right. Here I come with love and not hatred. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow I all the days of my life. Envy no one, no wish to be with no evil man. For there'll come the day when you'll be whipped by the Father's hand. Liverpool children, oh yeah, Liverpool children, yeah. My head is anointed now, and my cup runneth. Oh well, the promised land, going to the promised land. Yes, the promised land. Oh gosh, now to the promised land. Well, make a step down to Asmara. Then we stopped in Addis Ababa. Made our way to Shashamaniland, riding on the King's Highway to the promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh gosh. To the promised land, oh, to the promised land. Well, there's plenty of land for you and I, by and by. Lots of food to share for everyone. No time for segregation in the promised land. Oh gosh, take me to the promised land. It's the promised land, boy. That's the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Said we're riding on the King's Highway from Cairo to Kenya. Made a stop in Asmara, then we made another one in Addis Ababa. The promised land, going to the promised land. Oh God, save the promised land. Yeah, I'm the promised land. Oh, then I said to myself, give a thanks for the prophet God, for he gave me the teaching so I could see the reality of my true being and liberty. There's a lot of work to be done, oh gosh, in the promised land. Yeah, talking about the promised land. Yes, to the promised land. The promised land. Going to the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Oh, the promised land. Step the promised land. Oh, 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 yeah. Oh, brother man, what are you doing for the promised land? Gotta take your stand and let the brightness keep on. Yeah, there's work to be done. No, you can't run. Got a job to be done, so you gotta do it even a little by little. Yes, the promised land. Going to the promised land. Share the promised land. Going to the promised land.
This trumpet beginning was the Word. The Word was with God. The Word was God. The same that was in the beginning with God, all things were made by Him. And without Him was not anything made that was made. In Him was life, and the life was the light of men. Now the light shineth in darkness, and the darkness comprehended it not. He was in the world, and the world was made by Him, and the world knew Him not. He came unto His own, and His own received Him not. But as many as received Him, to them gave He power to become sons of God. Jah Rastafari, Haile Selassie the First, who was born not of the will of man, nor of the will of flesh, but of the will of God, full of grace and truth. Know that Word was made flesh and dwell among I, and I, and I, and I. And we beheld His glory, the glories of the only begotten of the Father, full of grace and truth. King Haile Selassie, King Haile, oh God, He is Christ. Christ in His kingly character, Christ in His kingly character. Tell them there is no other, there is no other, there is no other. Now His foundation is in the holy mountains. The Lord God, Jah the Almighty, over the gates of Zion, more than all the dwellings of Jacob. Glorious things are spoken of thee, O city of God, Selah. I will make mention of Rahab and Babylon to them that know me. Behold, Philistia and Tyre with Ethiopia, this man was born there. And of Zion it shall be said, this and that man was born in her. But the highest Himself shall establish her. Now the Lord God, Jah the Almighty, Haile Selassie, our Father, strength and Redeemer, shall count to the righteous of the people that this man was born there, Selah. As well as the singers, as the players and instruments shall be there. All my springs are in thee. Oh well now, Babylon be still, while I blow this trumpet. Babylon be still, while I blow this trumpet. Boagan be still, can't give by your pill. Want to see I be killed. Oh well now, give thanks and praise to the Most High always. That's you the judge, yeah, yeah. See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. How does that make you feel? See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. I don't like it and that's for real. Does it make you feel good? Does it make you feel fine? Despising someone you've never seen before this time. Never underestimate another. Never look down on your brother. No, don't do that. No, don't do that. No, well, see me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. How does that make you feel? See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. I don't like it and that's for real. Ask me who I am, then you would understand. And the musical teacher, shaping the future, coming from the Father, and the musical ambassador. Oh well, judge not, lest you be judged. Well, see me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. How does that make you feel? See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. I don't like it and that's for real. See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. How does that make you feel? I wanna know, I wanna know, wanna know. Stars in their own way, everyone I say. Never underestimate another. Never look down on your brother. See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. How does that make you feel? See me and don't know me yet you're passing judgment. I don't like it and that's for real. See me and don't know me yet you passing judgment. How does that make you feel? That's not the way to blend it. So don't try to rearrange it. No, no. Does it make you feel good? Does it make you feel fine? Despising someone you've never seen before this time. Never underestimate another. Never look down on your brother. See me and don't know me at your passing judgment. How does that make you feel? See me and don't know me at your passing judgment. I don't like it and that's for real. Oh no. Yeah.
Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Oh God, slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Though I play cool, I'm no fool. I'm bigger than brave. Though the heathen rage, I'm gonna burn down his cage, taking them out page by page. I'm riding above the stage. Ooh, slave. I'm tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. I remember in the days of old, they robbed our silver, stole our gold, but just say they can't touch our souls, 'cause He anointed our mouths. Slave, tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Yeah. Slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. You won't rape my sister no more. You won't rape mama no more. I'm gonna put a stop to it. Your own iniquity's gonna pay you a visit. Give ear to my words, oh Jah. Consider my meditation. Hearken unto the voices of your little ones, O King of salvation. My voice shall go here in the morning. Praise answer while I am calling. Slave, tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Tired of being a slave. Yeah, yeah. Slave. Tired of being a slave.
Tired and crying. Passing Staten Island to Manhattan. See them dying. And I've been wondering how my poor black people living. Some live in suburban shacks. Hey. Some wrap up in cardboard box. Hey. Some melting stones and rocks. Hey. Their liberty's so hard knocks. Yeah. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. Well, I see slavery, yeah. Physical slavery. slavery. And it moves me to see psychological slavery. Traveling from Detroit to Chicago, and all I see is pushers pushing their every cargo. They don't even care who live or die tomorrow. Remember that their joy is someone's sorrow. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. Yes, I see slavery, yeah, psychological slavery. And it moved me to see physical slavery. I wonder how they feel it. When they go to bed late at night, people living on welfare, heads of government don't care with their murky jerky system, and poor people are always the victim. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. I see slavery, whoa, physical slavery. Whoa, and it moves me deep down in my soul. Yeah. Traveling from Barbados to Antigua, oh, I say Trinidad, Guyana to Jamaica. And I've been wondering how poor people living on ya. Some living on the street side. Slavery. Some support they can't even pay for a taxi ride. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. Oh, I see slavery, physical slavery. And it moved me to see psychological slavery. People crying out for more, but there ain't no open door. People crying out for more, there's no one to help for sure. Traveling from the Bronx over to Brooklyn, I hear them crying, wondering how poor people is living. See them dying. Some living in cardboard box, hey, yeah. Some live in suburban shops, hey. 'Cause I see slavery, mental slavery. Oh, I see slavery, physical slavery. Leave out on the snowman come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come, 'cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come, 'cause Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon, no. Mount Zion is I home, and I say any day from now, I didn't know. I say calling on Rastaman. No more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. From England straight to America, even down there in the valley of Japasica. Japan straight over to China. Fire upon the all slave master. In a Babylon there's a disaster. Well, I can't get no food nor no water. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. You know, since Babylon done. Like a falling leaf that fall into the stream one day. Well, I say, so is a Babylon. Selassie gonna wash them away. I say, and for all the heedless thing they've done, now them all go get paid. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and come, hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I promise to strengthen the weak and give sight to the blind. Don't matter what their oppressors do. In this year I'm a Gideon time, yes. Rasta is here to conquer all trials and tribulations. So pack your little grip and come. Let's leave out of Babylon. Get up up and come. Get up and come. Get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. I home is not in Babylon. Mount Zion is I home. And I say any day from now I and I didn't know. I say calling on Rastaman. No more will I and I roam. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Hurry up and come. Cause Babylon done. Say from England straight to America. Even down here in the valley of Japan. Japan straight over to China. Say fire burn, we are slave master. In a Babylon there's a disaster. I can't get no food nor no water. Get up and come, get up and come, get up and come. Cause Babylon done. Hurry up and come, hurry up and them dread. I am ready, whoa, whoa, Lord. I ready, dread, me ready again for them to beat back biters, chant on Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back biters, chant on Eden. Well, I don't wanna be like them backbiters, Lord, who always fight against their friends, Lordy, Lordy. And I don't wanna be like them heathen who always try to mislead Jaja children. Oh, no, Jaja the Paja. Oh, no, Lordy the Lordy. How can some people say that God don't exist, Lord? What kind of hypocritical mockery is this? Tell me now, people, when they're the same one who sold us the Bible, Jaman, then why are they so contrary? I and I don't know. Rasta no know, we no know now. I and I don't know. Rasta no. So ready, dread, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to whip them back by the chant down the Eden. How can some people say they don't love Israel? Are they imposters or Jezebel? Tell me now, people, out of their same mouth these words were spoken, that Haile Selassie is the king of Israel. Rasta, I don't know. Make them a one, so I and I don't know. So ready, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden dread. Ready, me ready again for them to beat back by the chant down Eden. Oh yeah. Because I'm ready. Exodus. Movement of the people. Oh yeah. Ever my title up and tell you this. Men and people will fight you down. Tell me why. When you see John like let me tell you, if you're not wrong, then why? Everything is alright. So we're gonna walk alright through the roads of creation. We the generation, tell me why. Try through great tribulations. Exodus, alright. Movement of the people. Oh yeah, alright. Exodus. Movement of the
up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds pitch by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Meaning, don't worry about a thing. Worry about a thing, oh, every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry, singing, don't worry about a thing. I won't worry, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. I won't worry, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't worry. Ooh, yeah, 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 yeah. Ooh, yeah, yeah. They got so much things to say right now. They got so much things to say. They got so much things to say right now. They got so much things to say. Hey, but I'll never forget no way they crucified Jesus Christ. I'll never forget no way they sold Marcus Garvey for rights. I'll never forget no way they turned their backs on Paul Bogle. Hey, hey, so don't you forget no youth, who you are and where you stand in the struggle. They got so very, 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 so very. They say it's everything. They say so much today. They got so much things to say, so much things to say. But I come to fight flesh and blood, but spiritual wickedness in high and low places. So while they fight you down, stand firm and give Jah thanks and praises. 'Cause I do expect to be justified by the laws of men, by the laws of men. Oh, jury found me guilty, but truth shall prove my innocence. Oh, when the rain falls, all fall now, it won't fall and one man's house stop. Remember that. When the rain falls, it won't fall on one man's house stop. They're singing so very much, so very much, so very much, so very. They got so much things to say right now. Yeah, they got so much things to say. Hey, but I and I no come to fight flesh and blood. Spiritual wickedness in high and low places. So while they fight you, don't stand firm and give Jah thanks and praises. I and I no expect to be justified by the laws of men, by the laws of men. Hey, truth got to prove my innocence. Although the wicked think they've found me guilty. They got they lubbering all the time. So much things to say. Rumor about they got the rumor without humor. They don't know what they're doing, yeah. Reading back day, on the wall. Reading back yeah, on the wall. Reading back day, on the wall. Reading back yeah, on the wall. Rise, oh fallen fighters. Rise and take your stance again. Is he who fight and run away? Live to fight another day. Put the heathen back day on the wall. Put the heathen back yeah on the wall. Put the heathen back day on the wall. Put the heathen back yeah on the wall. As a man, so shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap, but the hotter the battle, the sweeter the victory. Put the heathen back there on the wall. Put the heathen back yeah 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 on the wall. The heathen back yeah on the wall. The heathen back yeah on the wall. Rise, oh fallen fighter. Rise and take your stance again. See you fight and run away. If the fight another day. Heathen back there on the wall. The heathen back yeah on the wall.